Hey everyone, this is Brock from CoSchedule. Today in our 5-minute tip series, we're going to talk about using social helpers with your social messages. Social helpers are reusable tags to help you add more variety to your social media posting schedule so you can share more often without losing your followers. They have the added benefit of helping you avoid copying and pasting messages while making last-minute edits a breeze. Start by defining the types of message you'll send with tags, then simply write your social messages. Social helpers are also great with our social templates. To begin, create a new piece of content or go to an existing piece of content. Then go to the social campaign of that content. Inside of that content, if you haven't added a URL to your permalink field, go ahead and add that now. As you can see, CoSchedule will grab its information. There will be a couple different places where you'll see and be able to use social helpers inside of CoSchedule. At first, this will be the permalink social helper. Underneath that will be the default image or best image, and it will also be the image social helper. And then inside of the excerpt box will be the excerpt social helper. If you want to add any of these social helpers to your messages, you can just go ahead and add them, and it will automatically add any of the text or information that you have inside of these three fields. Now that we have learned about CoSchedule's standard social helpers, let's learn about our custom social helpers. To view our custom social helpers, click on the left-hand side of your content. You will see the little social helpers button here, and once you click that, the social helpers menu will open. If you're in existing content, you might see a couple social helpers already in there, or you can create new social helpers. To create a new social helper, click the New Helper button and then add either text helpers, image helpers, or video helpers. Text helpers are custom quick tags that you can add to your social messages. To create a text helper, click the Text Helper button, then add a name to your text helper. If you'd like, you can add content, or if you've already added a custom social helper, you can edit the text and change any of your messages that have that text inside of the message. As you can see, I'll delete this text here and it will automatically delete from any social messages. The next custom social helper that we're going to create is a custom image helper. To create a new custom image helper, click New Helper, then click Image Helper. Custom image helpers will help work as a gallery inside of your content and also a placeholder inside of your social messages. As you can see, this social message has the infographic custom image helper tag on there. If I go to this image helper here, I can upload any image from my computer, and CoSchedule will automatically put that image into this social message with the custom image helper tag. If you want to, you can also add many more custom image helpers so that you can create a gallery inside of your content and then add any of those images to your social messages later. The last social helper we'll talk about is our custom video helper. Once again, click the New Helper button and then click Video Helper. You can then add the name and then choose any video that you would like to upload to this video helper. That will serve as a placeholder in any of the social messages that you create, but you will have to re-upload any video that you upload to a social helper. Lastly, we're going to talk about how to add social helpers quickly to your social messages. To add a social helper, create a new social message. Once you create that social message, add your social networks that you want to use, and then you'll see two social helpers that are already added, the title and the permalink. You can delete those social helpers and add any custom or standard text helper using our social helper inserter. To use our social helper inserter, click on the social helper button here, then go down to whatever social helper you would like to add. I'm going to add the question and the link social helper. Once you see I've added those social helpers to this message, you will see it automatically show up inside of the social preview. To create this message, click Add Message. Now that we have learned about custom and standard social helpers, you can now schedule your social messages faster with adding variety to the content on your calendar.